So welcome back. In this lesson we will be learning how to draw the circle in SolidWorks. So to start, we would pick a plane. For this one, let's pick the top plane, and we would click on our first circle, which is a circle. So when we click on the circle, we can click and drag it out and click, and it's that simple. That's how you draw a circle. You click, drag it out and click, and that is how you draw a circle. And the next one under the circle is the perimeter circle, which is a pretty much 3-point click. You click, drag it, click, and drag it and click, and again you click, drag it, click, and drag it out, and you click again. So those are the two type of circle they have under the sketch tool: the regular circle and the perimeter circle. As you start working with SolidWorks, you will find which one is convenient for you to use. And personally, since I've been using SolidWorks for years, I can't think of one time that I've used the perimeter circle, because there isn't actually one way to design, but you would come up with your own way. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.